Your brake pads are the parts that rub against the rotor or disc to slow and stop your vehicle. They'll eventually wear down over time with normal use. When your pads are severely worn, they won't stop your vehicle as well. When the friction material is worn away, metal parts of the pad are exposed and you'll hear a squeal or grinding sound. That's when you should replace your brake pads. Not only will new pads restore your stopping power, but replacing them on time will prevent damage to the rotor. If your brakes are making a noise, ask for a brake inspection. Addressing problems early will restore your safety and prevent expensive brake damage.